Watch how to grill your yummy Irish potatoes. Let's go. First, let's peel the Irish potato, so you can use knife or you can use the potato peeler, which is easier. Next, slice the potatoes and wash the potatoes thoroughly. Add this potato layer seasoning. Give it a good rub, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and like our videos. Next, get your baking tray and line it up with the parchment paper. Some people use aluminum foil, but I prefer parchment paper. Next, transfer the seasoned Irish potato to the baking tray. Next, take it to the oven for grilling. Bring it out from the oven after 20 minutes to turn it. Now, take it back to the oven to cook for another 25 minutes. And this is the final result. Our grilled potato is ready and you can serve it with any protein of your choice and sauce. Munching time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and like our videos. Thank you.